Hi, today we're going to live demo Neti. All that Neti is cleaning your sinus passages with saline or salt water. It's really good to get all the sinus cleaned out if you have allergies, if you have congestion due to any cold or like a stuffy nose and stuff like that, or even if you have dryness due to heat being on during the long winter months, or with any other medications that you're taking, NyQuil or anything, you wake up to a dry nose or anything like that. It's really good to moisten and clean out your nasal passages. The three simple ingredients we need is the Neti pot itself, regular salt, the Himalayan salt, it could be rock salt, it has to be natural salt, not iodized, and lukewarm water. I use it in a tea kettle to lukewarm it. This is the water that we drink, should not be from the tap because it's going in your sinus cavities. Okay, now let's just start it. I've washed my hands really well. I'm taking almost like 1/4 of a teaspoon worth of salt, adding it in the neti pot, adding some lukewarm water to it. You have to fill it almost to the brim. Don't completely fill it. I use a Q-tip to mix the saline salt water. You could use your finger. Your hands are really clean. And your neti pot is ready to be used. We're going to put the neti pot nozzle in one nostril, and the water will flow out from the other nostril. The key thing is to keep your mouth open, breathe through your mouth. That's it. We're not breathing through our nose because the water is flowing through our nose. So now let's start. The other nose, the other nostril. Lean in on the opposite side. Nozzle goes in one nostril, water will come out through this side because I'm leaning towards this side. Natural gravity flow. Open your mouth, breathe through your mouth, simple. I wanted to share how I store it because it's really important. Your neti pot is going in a Ziploc box like that. You can make it in any box that you have. I have cut up paper towel. It's lined with a dry paper towel, a clean paper towel. I change it every couple weeks if I use the neti pot regularly. I clean the inside of the neti pot with a paper towel. This is the spoon, and I have put the salt in a jar that fits inside of it, so the whole kit is completely closed, dust free, and you're not storing the neti pot in the box back or just throwing it in a drawer in the bathroom. I try to do it in the bathroom. You could use your sink downstairs if you have your kettle in the kitchen, in a sink, your powder room or something else. So storing is extremely important to keep it dust free. I hope this helped. This is coming from a layman who was very intimidated by this process. I tried to simplify it as much as possible. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions or concerns, just put your comments below and I'll try and answer them. Thank you. Thanks for watching.